Stephanie Rose from Kalamazoo has come up with a recipe that, well, what this is, it's venison that is pounded with some flour in it, dipped in egg, and a whole bunch of other things.
Parmesan cheese that you taste a little bit of.
I tell you, it tastes like veal Parmesan.
More than Swiss steak.
Dip it after it's been pounded with the flour and dipped in the egg and dipped in the
Parmesan cheese.
Parmesan.
You're gonna fry these just like this. Now now that would taste just perfect, just like that. Don't want it to cook real long, just a little bit here.
And well, that wouldn't have the little Italian flavor that I think we get when she adds the other ingredients.
Gonna saute some onions and add a whole can of tomato sauce. And then your regular Italian spices, gonna add some oregano. Now you do want to add water to this because it's gonna cook down a lot, even with the sauce on it. And just a little bit of sugar.
Oh, okay.
A couple tablespoons of sugar.
Can taste it. This is really
and your oregano.
Sweet recipe that is
it's there,
pleasantly flavored.
But it's not overpowering. Some pepper, black pepper. And then that's it. That's as far as your spices go. You're going to pour this over that. And that's going to bake. After you fry your steaks, then the whole thing is going to bake. Add a little bit more Parmesan cheese, and then the rest of the sauce on top.
Bake at 350?
For about an hour. Yep.
Oh, you know, this is funny. This is one of these times. Oh, the rest of the sauce from the pan that goes in there?
After you add cheese to the top of it.
Oh, boy.
Freddie.
Well, you know, the amazing thing is I absolutely love this. And you said, let me take over then.
Oh.
This tastes like veal Parmesan. If you like veal Parmesan, you'd love this.
Oh, definitely.
Don't you agree?
Oh, it's very tender.
Get the pasta out, though.
All you folks have a good weekend outdoors. It's a great place to be. See you next week.